Welcome back. Rape-accused PSI Razashad Shaikh has been sent to 3 days police custody. Shaikh was taken into custody after he surrendered before the Mapsa police on Tuesday in an alleged rape case. He was produced before the JMFC Mapsa.
Mapsa police on Wednesday produced suspended PSI Razashad Shaikh before the JMFC court at Mapsa. Investigating officers sought his remand, claiming that custodial interrogation is required in this case. The court granted 3 days police remand. The victim girl had lodged a complaint alleging Razashad Shaikh for raping her since January. He was attached with Mapsa traffic cell. Shaikh surrendered before the Mapsa police on Tuesday and he was taken into the custody. Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Goa Professional League is getting bigger and better this year. Airtel will be the title sponsor for Pro League as well as lower division leagues, state team and beach football. Airtel Chief Executive Officer Ashok Ganpati says Airtel Pro League will provide a platform for youngsters to show their potentials in one of the most competitive leagues in the country.
Airtel's partnership with Goa Football Association as the sponsors for Pro League, lower division leagues, state team was announced on Wednesday. CEO of Airtel for Goa, Maharashtra and Gujarat zone, Ashok Ganpati revealed that the decision to partner GFA was an easy one.
Compared to any other state, as I said, Goa, football is a bit of a religion here, like probably a few other states in India. And you have the best talent. What are we really looking at through this association is to really create a platform for the youth to showcase their ability and through that association, from a brand point of view, build and take forward our identity of youthfulness and dynamism.
GFA's marketing partner ProCam International feels Airtel will boost even the age group football scene.
More importantly, we are actually incentivizing the lower division clubs as well. So which means if a team from second division wins and moves on to the first division, there's actually a cash incentive, and so on and so forth for all the other divisions. So if you win the first division and move on to the Pro League, there is a cash incentive. Youth League in the Goa Football Association will now be rebranded as the Airtel Rising Star under the especially for the under 16 categories.
Our sports editor Neeraj Prabhu with video journalist Chetan Gawas from Kalangut.
Recently, ESPN football pundit Paul Masfield has praised the facilities of I-League club Sporting Clube de Goa. The Flaming Orange are indeed on the verge of becoming the first Goan I-League club with best facilities for their players. Sporting will launch its football academy on Friday morning at Don Bosco complex, where they have prepared a fantastic ground for training.
Sporting Clube de Goa's strong finish last season under coach Oscar Bruzon has raised the expectations from the Flaming Orange. Sporting is now set to launch its football academy to produce technically sound players under Spanish coach Javier Fernandez. Sporting's vision has also seen Don Bosco ground being renovated to international standard. Sporting founder and president Peter Vaz, along with the club and academy's technical staff, briefed the media about their academy project on Wednesday. The academy will be launched by AIFF Technical Director for Academy Scott O'Donnell on Friday morning, which marks the 15th anniversary of the club. Though the exact rules are yet to be framed, the academy will admit students from Don Bosco Panaji in particular during its first year. Bureau Report, Prudent.
If you've missed our bulletin, log on to prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter @PrudentGoa or meet us on Facebook at facebook.com/prudentmedia. With this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.